How to see Snapchat messages without them knowing. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can see your Snapchat messages that you have received without the user knowing that you have seen it. Now, this only works for the message that has been sent or the snap that has been sent on a chat, but it won't work that has been sent as a snap but not in a chat. Now, to read a message without them knowing, what you want to do is open the Snapchat app. You'll get an interface like this. Head into the chats. And once in chats, what you want to do is you can see a chat here. Now, if you open up the chat, they will get notified or they can see that you have viewed the chat. However, if you want to avoid letting them know, what you want to do is simply tap on the profile and swipe all the way to the right. And once you do this, you'll be able to see what they have sent, a bit of chat. And once you do this, do not remove your fingers and simply swipe it back to left. If you do this, you can see the chat is still unread, but you can view the chat from here. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.